How to fix Xfinity error TVAPP-00114. The Xfinity error code TVAPP-00114 typically occurs when there is a problem with the authentication of your account on the Xfinity Stream app or website. This error might prevent you from accessing your TV content. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this error. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause authentication issues. Try restarting your modem and router to refresh your internet connection. 2. Sign out and sign back in. Sometimes, simply signing out and then signing back in can resolve authentication issues. To do this, go to the Xfinity Stream app or website, sign out of your account, and then sign back in with your Xfinity credentials. 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser to access Xfinity Stream, clearing your cache and cookies can often resolve issues related to loading or authentication. Here's how to do it for popular browsers: Google Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Mozilla Firefox, go to Options, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Site Data, and select Clear Data. Microsoft Edge, go to Settings, Privacy, Search and Services, clear browsing data, and choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files. 4. Try a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue might be specific to the browser or device you are using. Try accessing Xfinity Stream from a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. 5. Restart your device. Restarting your computer, smartphone, or streaming device can resolve temporary glitches and refresh the system. 6. Check for service outages. There could be an ongoing service outage or maintenance work in your area that affects your ability to use Xfinity Stream. You can check for service outages on the Xfinity Status Center, https://www.xfinity.com/support/status, or by using the Xfinity My Account app. 7. Update your app or browser. Ensure that the Xfinity Stream app or the web browser you are using is updated to the latest version. Updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements. 8. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it. Some services, including Xfinity, may not work properly with VPNs or proxies enabled. 9. Reset your Xfinity password. If the error persists, try resetting your Xfinity password. This can resolve any account authentication issues. To reset your password, go to the Xfinity password reset page, https://login.xfinity.com/password, and follow the instructions. 10. Contact Xfinity support. If none of the above steps work, it may be best to contact Xfinity customer support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting based on your account and the specific error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Xfinity error code TVAPP-00114 and regain access to your streaming services.